Good morning from Grapevines Farm. We're out here 7 o'clock on a Wednesday to milk Bella, not Harold. We're headed down to the barn to feed the barn animals. The weather has not been very good today. It's been windy. It's cold. So it's blue in the sky now. On and off that way all day. Yeah, look at it. Oh, look hungry. Hungry piggies. Everybody's got their hay down here at the barn. Yeah, I know. Harold, you have to wait. Get your grain later. Yeah, because you make too much noise when we're trying to milk the goat. So that'll be a nice treat for you later. And chickens are happy. They got their scratch in their feed. Everybody's got water now. We'll be down here later on to milk Bella, and then I'll grain the pigs. Okay, the little goats are waiting for the food truck to come. Exactly what they're waiting for. I don't like this grass hay too much. I love the alfalfa though. Junior heard it through the grapevine. The grapevines are good. They're enjoying the grape leaves.
Oh, that's good.
This is milking Bella. Neighbor Steve's bringing a toad over. Bella's been milked. The pigs have been grained. Wife's got the milk.